Welcome to Miami, one of the most expensive cities in the world. There we go. Oh my god, some people are filming something, so I'm not the only one who is. As you can see, I'm not the only one filming. Oh my god, this is so cool. Welcome to Miami. So we came today and we were walking. Oh my god, some people are filming something, so I'm not the only one who is filming, and talking. Anyhow, this is a crazy city, man. So tomorrow we are going to go on the beach and then we are going to just walk, We don't get to have 70s every day in Ohio, so that's going to be the plan for tomorrow. And then day after that, I'm going to film the video tour with one of my friends at like some really nice houses for my YouTube channel, so looking forward to that as well. And also one thing when it comes to living in a big city like this, it doesn't feel awkward filming yourself. I mean, for me it does still, but a lot of people are just walking around filming themselves, I'm not sure if that's good or bad, but I'm saying that, it's more common here, and then people are not afraid to film themselves in public and talk to the camera like I do. And now somebody is watching me and I look and I feel really awkward. Really awkward, yeah. So right now we're just walking by the beach, exploring the city, having a coffee. As you can see, I'm not the only one filming. Welcome to Miami. I made a mistake. I forgot to bring my shoes to Miami for filming of this video tour. So now I have to buy something. I only have these ones, but they don't go well with my outfit for today. So I guess we'll have to see what's around. There we go. So now I'm waiting for my Uber pickup. It says he's here. Let me see. Yes, George. How are you, brother? It says right here we are 30 minutes away almost. I should be there at 2:54. He's gonna be waiting there with one more guy, and we're gonna shoot that house, and then we're gonna head to the new construction house. I'm filming for YouTube. I do houses. We are gonna be filming $7 million house now. Yeah, I'm a realtor. I'm not licensed here, but I have good friends here that sell. So. So I'm just talking to my Uber driver here. The guy just came to the US 2 years ago, and he's driving Uber, and he says that's the magic to success. And he has a really good book here. So what do you think is a problem here in America?
The people need think always possible.
Always possible.
Always possible. Only you need change your mind. Okay? Read a good book, study, exercise, some playing. What are you doing? This one. Okay, I got it.
Nice. Yeah. So
Strike.
I did.
This one is this one.
I didn't. I wasn't thinking that I'm talking to a millionaire, but this guy, he invests in stock market. So, how much do you have now in stocks, and what do you do? You do trading. You do.
I'm training an option. I'm studying. My teacher, his name is Alejandro Cardona. In 4 months, I got it in my back. 1,240.
He has 1.2 million in a bank account, and he has that written in a book, Think and Grow Rich, that we talked about.
They're playing it out 1 million. This is my plane, but in 4 months it's a 1 million too. Yeah, wow, it's good.
Wow. Do you have any? You don't have real estate, or do you invest in houses?
I invest in a house, but right now I'm studying for general contractor. I need to pay later construction, later. So this is my plan.
Nice, man. How much did you had? With how much did you started? Like 2 years ago, how much money did you had?
Is I think 2
Oh, nice.
2.3, I think.
2.3. Okay.
I think.
Yes.
It's real.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Awesome. So, and you say the Uber is good for connections. You drive Uber to.
It's good for the relationship and get them working. 3 hours every day. Later, I'm starting my job. To in my car, Uber or Lyft, talking for the people. Yes, good connection.
Yeah.
It's really is body, but
Yeah.
step by step, but it's very important to talking for the people.
Yeah.
But I'm living here only 2 years. I'm studying English. I'm learning, but my language is Spanish. Okay?
Yeah. I mean, you talk good English, man.
Thank you.
You talk better than me sometimes, and I don't know how to say certain things, you know. But yeah, you would never say like this. You would never say who you can meet. Like this guy drives Uber and he's a millionaire. So yeah, nice. So yesterday I did a video tour and we did the interview with my friend. It was a good one. So now I'm going to grab some coffee and I'm going to grab some lunch to go. We're gonna sit at the park and just chill on the grass. This is going to be the last day here and I love it. So far, so amazing. I wish we stayed more, but next time when we come, it's gonna be at least 4 days. Oh my god, this is so cool. Bye bye, Florida. See you next time.